everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it's Friday, June 15th, and it is my last official day of work. Whoop whoop, summer can commence. With that being said, I am probably most happy about being able to clean my house. Cleaning for me is very therapeutic. It helps me relax and de-stress. My sister would not agree to that description of what cleaning does to her, but for me it just allows me to wind down after a long day, a long week. And unfortunately for me, over the last couple of weeks, I have not been able to really deep clean my house. Now I've cleaned it and kept it, picked up, but there are times I really just like to go through and deep clean, and I've not been able to do that, but I'm going to do it now. The kids did not have Taekwondo because this is Father's Day weekend. So we are actually going to get some things done around here. And I'm going to show you what we're going to be working on. I think we're going to try to do an hour, maybe 2 hours. It just depends. It is maybe 4 o'clock or so. It's in the afternoon. I'm not real sure what time it is, but I need at least a good hour to clean, and maybe 2. So let me share with you what we're going to be working on. Okay, so here's my kitchen. So I do have a few dishes in here. So everything will be cleaned out of here. I'm going to clean off the sink. These are just some rags that need to go into the washer. We'll probably put a load of clothes on. And then just the catch-all. This is the catch-all area. So we're going to just clean everything here. Then I'm just going to come around. We're going to just wipe off the counters, wipe off the stove. Not doing a whole lot on the counter section, but I am going to sweep the floors really well. And then we're going to deep clean the floors with the steam mop. So this looks pretty good. We're just going to clean off the kitchen table. I actually took my sheer curtains down the other day and I washed them. So I'm going to put the sheer curtains back, let the reds hang. So I'm just going to put those curtains back up there. And I think I'm going to do double shears here. I had some other ones in my bedroom that I took down, but I want this to be a little bit more full, so I'm going to put those double shears back. They were really filthy, and so actually just cleaning them brought back some life. They're not totally white, but again, they're clean. So that's what we're going to be working on there. Coming into the living room, we are avid readers. So let's see. Alana has a book. Jackson has a book. There's books here. I do want to kind of just brush off these couches, spray everything down. We are going to vacuum out the floor. Then up here, I have just some decor pieces that I really need to get rid of. Like these black flowers in the back. They served a purpose for a while, but they're not being properly used now. This box is going into the office because I've got some stuff in there that I'm working on that you'll hear about really soon. Not sure that I will touch my office. I may give it an attempt, but right now that's not the focus. I'm going to move everything from here. My school bag, Nadine West. I have another review to do. And then I'm just going to pick up. I'm going to be finishing out my gallery wall, but I actually need to touch up some paint. I need to touch up a few pieces of paint because we moved the couch. The couch used to be over there, but because we moved it down, now I have to finish out this piece of the wall. So I will do that, and we'll fix these pillows here. This is my problem. This is what prompts all of this stuff. It is the dust. It's dust. You may not be able to see it, but I know it's there. So I'm going to cull out some of these. See, it's the dust. It's just, it drives me to a point where I can't focus. So we're going to dust everything. I'm going to spray everything down. Here's just some trash, some bags that need to go up, blankets that need to be fixed, Aldi bags. These hangers I got for my clothing closet. And then again, just wiping everything down and vacuuming the floor really well. So that's what the kids and I are going to be working on. Actually over here, I've got a couple things. My son got me this for Mother's Day, and students at school made that for me. So I'm going to be getting rid of some of these pieces. And then up here, I just feel like I'm too heavy with some things here and some things here. So we're going to work on some of this stuff and see, how much of this we can get squared away. in the next hour or two. Okay, everybody, so we are done. It took us, I'd say, roughly about 2 hours, but a lot of that was also just talking through what we were working on or who was doing what. And so let me just share with you what we were able to get done. So we had a catch tray here for shoes if it rained, but we felt like it'd be better outside because you can take your shoes off outside. So we cleared this area. We just kept the rug and we vacuumed throughout here. When I'm able to, I'm going to have this carpet pulled up to put in hardwoods or, laminate, because Jackson and his asthma and allergies, it's better that way. But for right now, they're going to stay. And so we just brushed the chairs down, and then we sprayed those as well. I went ahead and just changed out some decoration pieces here. The kids dusted this. We also changed out some of the decoration pieces there and pulled a few things down. There's our blanket ladder. We pulled a couple of the pillows off, the heavier looking ones, and then we just brushed down the couches and then sprayed those as well. I did change out this tray. I had a silver tray here before, and then I just put the gold one here with this flower arrangement. I thought that looked really pretty and simple. We changed out the yellow books for the red books because of the yellow table. And then here, we put the yellow books here. I I had that other crossboard there with my name and stuff on it, but I went ahead and just moved that to the window area. And then up here we moved a couple pieces down just to make it not look as cluttered. And then here we just fluffed and we wiped off the bookshelves and everything. So I didn't pull those black things down that I had planned to. I'll figure it out another time. I didn't do anything in the office. I left it as is. And then for the kitchen, this summer I'm going to go through and do some touch-up painting just up and through here where the bar stools are. And then we hung the curtains. So I only had 2 pairs of curtains here before. I had the reds and the sheers. But now I've added in some pattern sheers to make that window look a little bit more full, and I think it works out really well. We did wipe down the table. We also had to dust off the light fixture, and we wiped off the table, put the extra chair back. I do need a chair for my desk area. There's the coffee station, so we didn't do anything there. We wiped off the doors. We did baseboards, and Jackson and I steam mopped the floor. And then we wiped off counters, so we just did all the countertops with the Method grapefruit, the pink grapefruit, which I really do love. We got all the dishes out of the sink, and then the dish towels we will take to the laundry and do laundry at some point. So it just helps me to feel a little bit less stressed whenever I can come in and not have to be rushed. We didn't have Taekwondo today, which was really good. Not that we don't love it, we love it, but sometimes I'm pushed on Fridays because I'm trying to get them there. And then when I get home, I'm really tired because I worked all day. So now that it's summertime and I have more time to do things, I feel much better about what I'm going to be able to get done over the summer. So this is it. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel as we did it is our first day of summer clean. Not quite a nighttime cleaning because it's just not dark here yet. It's only 6 o'clock. So about 2 hours the kids and I worked. And they worked really hard. They didn't complain or anything like that. Jackson is going around here like he's a ninja warrior. And then ma'am is looking at me from across the room like, what you doing, Mom? Really? Just really? He's a ninja. Anywho, thank you so much. Now he's chasing the dog and she is terrified. She's like, why are you bothering my life? Anywho, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel and cleaning with us. And until the next time we clean, bye now.